Hello my friends, here would be a short review about this one absolutely multifunctional flashlight from Wurkkos. It like keychain, at the same time it like EDC. It have built-in Type-C charger. Here is Type-C, here is magnet, here is dynamic, it can work like here. I will show you it more detailed. So what we have in complex? This one package, you see 46 grams. Here we have manual. So tail magnet, side light, a lot of different lights. Two buttons, main and side button. Main light, ultraviolet light. Here we have for main modus and turbo. And here we have a lot of side light and ultraviolet separately. Let's see how it works. So main button, double click for start plus indicator of level of battery. Press and hold for off. Short press for changing mode. And press and hold we have turbo. Secondary button. Double click and we have side light. Changing colors. Cold light, warm light. And triple click. We have ultraviolet. Let's work well. For example, you see this one sitting. Press and hold off. Let's see a lot of samples in the dark and then continue talks. So at first let's check ultraviolet in the darkness. You see, I showed you all things what can be visible in ultraviolet. Now let's check glow light of corpus. I used it before and it have light right now. Now let's check side light. I prefer warm, so at first we will see warm light. Now let's check magnet. We have some problem on this position icon. Not centered. You see, we have some problem. Let's go until next we'll check charging. After making graphics and shutdown, I started it for charging. You see LED on corpus, color it and finish. Changing color and about 1000 milliamperes per hour. This one you see sound and blinking. Next one, let's see some samples exactly light. It's turbo. And the other modus on short distance, like for walking or something like it. You don't need 1000 lumen for walking, but you have not bad flood light. By slide light it's not perfect for walking, but also can be, especially inside. Other colors of side light, for example red, or other colors, maybe some guys need it for emergency cases. For example, I don't need it for my city using, so I prefer for use just warm side light. Now let's check what we have by graphics. This one graphic of almost maximum, not turbo, 4000 lumen, but you see step down after couple minutes. And it have middle about 200 lumens. But when I made secondary on and off, it is honest level. Not bad for this small flashlight at least, and with built-in small battery. Let's check next one. It for very long period. 3.5 hours pointed, and you see little more than 3.5 hours, and then it drop down till lowest mode, and we can use it more. But for city using it would be even enough. 130 lumens, second one mode would be, I think, perfect for walking, for long period of using. And let's check it. It's one of the most longest graphic what I get. So we have about 3 hours till first drop down, and then about 6 hours without drop down. I think that's not bad for small, lightweight flashlight. Let's continue our review. So, for my opinion, there are a lot of interesting things in one flashlight. I think if they added here high key, that would be awesome. But maybe it would cost a little more. Magnet would be better in the middle, not in the one side. So, as it is, but big battery. This one corpus which can light in the dark. Side light, a lot of different ultraviolet, and at least two LEDs which can be like a EDC flashlight, like keychain flashlight. A lot of interesting function, and at the same time it costs not a lot of price, now about $15. In description of this video would be link where you can buy it, would be link for my text review with a lot of photo. So that's all about it. Here we have Zansky P40R, 12,000 of lumens. I showed you before, but didn't say about this one sensor. I want to show you how it works. So from 50 lumens, 200, 800, 2000, 12,000. Hoba, and it going, I think, about 800. But when I get my hand, it has the same 12. And again, drop down. Again, start. Of course, in this mode it will work, I think, about half of minutes. I am testing it right now. Review will be soon. Put like, subscribe for my channel, and you will see it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.